Here it is, guys and gals. The money that I've saved for this week. Guys, congratulate me for how much this would be. You will never believe. Last week I had 3,400. Now I've got also 3,450 pesos. I beat my record. See that? Congratulations, Hendrix AA. Guys and gals, always do the same thing. Okay? Earn, save, invest, and enjoy. For life is being unpredictable, and I will never get tired on telling you, each one of you, to save money as always, as many as you can. You're doing it very good. So keep it up, guys and gals, okay? Not because Christmas is coming, but for your future. Yes, bye for now.